Here at our Lasallian school, the 5 core principles are woven into our daily lives.
The core principles most prominent in our campus are the inclusive community and respect for all persons. Whether on the field, on the stage, or in the classroom, there is something for everyone at LaSalle.
Education is the prime focus here at LaSalle. Our teachers are engaging and care about their students. Every other day we offer an academic support period, and every student is assigned an academic advisor and a college counselor.
We live out our faith through our spiritual retreats, prayer services, liturgies, soup and substance, and our prayer board. Our faith is the foundation of our school and brings us together as a community.
Above all else, as Lasallian students, we have a heart for service. Groups of students visit Union Station and prepare cooked meals for the less fortunate. Students often participate in 60 seconds of service by creating sack lunches for the homeless. We also hold an Adopt a Family Christmas party every year for low-income families. We are constantly finding ways to serve and better our community.
Welcome to LaSalle!